In this video, we will learn two different activities. One, we will identify diode, capacitor, resistor, and LED from a mixed collection of the electronic items. And from this table, we can observe that by using multimeter, we can see the difference between them. Second one, we can see the unidirectional flow of current in a diode. That is, diode conduct only in one direction, and if they are conducting in both direction, means they are damaged. Now this is the LED, and it is glowing when it is forward biased. That when positive is connected with its positive P and negative is connected with its N. But when the reverse connection is there, there will be no glow in the LED. Next, another diode, it is showing some reading when in one direction, but in other direction it is not showing any reading, which means it is not conducting in other direction. It is conducting only in one direction. This shows the unidirectional flow of current in diode and LED. But in resistor, no reading. There is a deflection in both sides as shown here. Resistors conduct in both sides. It doesn't matter the positive and negative. And the capacitor will show a high deflection in the multimeter at the first, then it will decrease. In this way, all these four electronic devices can be identified here. Thank you.